Alright, today we're going to replace the winch cable. Brand new. Used it a couple times, but I do not like winch cable. I prefer winch rope. Got this from ARE Off-Road. It's good for up to 30,500 pounds. And probably weighs significantly less. I think the package said 8 pounds. We'll have to do a comparison weigh-in on this stuff. Let's pull it out. Okay, well, there was a hard way, which I just tried. I got that far. Now we're going to do it the easy way. We need a phone tripod. That'll make my life easy. Alright, here we go. Make this the easy way. Alright, as you can see, we've got it all unspooled. Peek down into here. So just got to undo that screw, and the cable's off, so we'll do that next. Alright, so I've got a gigantic screwdriver here. Kind of hard to do one-handed, but we'll give her a shot. Okay, obviously the wrong size. We'll go grab a different one. Let's go ahead and unscrew that. See how that comes off. It should be just fine. I've only had the winch, I don't know, a couple months since I put the bumper on. It's not that hard. You wouldn't think anyway. Okay, so before you pull that out, you might want to grab your screw, set that aside, and then alright, check that aside, sell it, throw it away, whatever you want to do. Put the new one on. Okay, here we are. This is your end that goes onto the winch drum. So unspool it. This is pretty cool looking. Got a bunch of different synthetic rope. This one looks a lot nicer than what I normally get, so got this off of Amazon. Might have to get a longer screw though, because as you can see, the baby is not going to fit through there. So let me go look for a different bolt. I'm going to find like an Allen head or something. Un momento. Alright, so here's what I've got. I got some blue Loctite I'm going to put on this. And then I found I have this stainless steel Allen head bolt that'll fit pretty good in there, so we'll do that. So let's take and put a little bit of juice on there, and then we'll install it. Alright. Here we go. Here's that. Put a little dab of this crap on there. Now we'll just walk over there and start threading our rope in. All right. All right, we got her started. I'm just gonna take this Allen head here and tighten it down a bit. You don't have to go too crazy because this is really only holding your winch rope on to the drum. I think you're supposed to have about 10 layers, twists, I guess, on your drum at minimum. So here we go. We'll start winding that in. So we got about 100 feet, I think, here. Maybe 135. I forget what I ordered of this stuff, so we'll just start rolling it in. Here we go. All right, I am going to start my truck up. So don't kill the batteries while I'm rolling this in, since I just unscrewed it all without the truck running anyway. So here we go. Might take a little bit of time. What I'm doing is I'm just pushing the rope over tight to the drum so it pulls up nice and tight. Okay, hold on. Alright, we're on our third time around now on the spool, third layer. Keep going. We're starting our fourth. This will probably be our final layer. Alright, now we're about at the end. This is the rope protector for rocks and stuff. So we're going to start the fifth layer now. Alright, pretty much done. Just got to put our hook back on. So I'll grab that off the other one, and then we'll pull it in a little bit more. Nice thing about these rams is you can shut them down just by hitting the start button. Alright, so I'll put that on. We'll go from there. Okay. So we've got our hook here. I got a couple tools to get this cotter pin off. Make sure you always use a new cotter pin. They're pretty cheap. All right. She's out, so just go ahead and stick this in your new cable, rope, what are we going to call it? I like to bend mine in opposite directions. All done. Go ahead and pull it in the rest of the way. That's one thing I do love about synthetic cable is it just pulls your hook right in right there. You don't actually need a clevis. I couldn't actually get the other one through there because the I don't know what the hell that's called, I forget. It was too big to fit through there, so we'll probably upgrade that to a aluminum Haas here pretty soon. Got to find one I like. And there's our new rope, all installed. Pretty easy. Looks good. We'll see how much that saves me in weight here in just a second, but that's about it. I think I actually got 135 feet of this synthetic rope. It was $139 on Amazon. Seems like it's pretty good quality, better than anything else I've ever bought. So take a look here. All right, so took that off. Feels like a good 30 to 40 pounds right there, cable. So saved ourselves at least 30 pounds at a minimum, I guess, on the front end of my truck. So that's cool. We'll put that up for sale. Somebody will buy it. They always do.